Hello guys, it's Mukbe here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create your shop page in Woocommerce, that is in your WordPress website. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. Once you're there, we'll start by creating our shop page. Click on pages. After that, we'll click on add new. So, we are going to name it shop. After which you click on what? Publish. So after that, we are going to click on what? Woocommerce. That is, we'll click on settings. Once you get here, we are going to click on what? Product. After which you are going to see shop page. Click on it. Once you're there, we'll simply need to search for the shop page we just created. Click on that. After that, we'll scroll down and we'll click on what? Save changes. So I'll leave all the other settings in the default manner, as you can see, depending on what you want. So after that, we are going to verify if we already created our shop page. So we are going to go back to pages. After which, scroll down and we are going to see the shop page. Click on review. So guys, we just successfully created our shop page in Woocommerce, that is in your WordPress website. So guys, that's actually the way you create your shop page in your WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.